Yep, there we go. Neat.
There we go.
Alright, turn around. It's a nice slow turn, like Eric says. Alright, right, so we are at the Wildlife Preserve Center locally to us. Sorry. And so we just got an annual family membership, and we're going to take a stroll. We've never been here before. We're going to take a stroll and show you some neat stuff and have a go at using the GoPro.
Yeah.
And see, get our hands on it for the trip. So I'm going to slowly turn it back around, aka Eric's rules. There we go. And we're just going to go. I've lost my screen though.
Oh, the screen does go off.
Oh, okay.
You can keep it. You can set a setting to keep it on, but it drains battery really quickly.
Okay. But Buckingham Palace, a lot of different bugs in there. Yeah, I don't want to go there.
That's why I'm suggesting a phone one, so that.
Yeah. Right. Well, we just come across this pond with a cute little duck in there. So I'm going to show you the duck over there. Well, we can't zoom in on this. It was a rat, foot long, just scurrying across the water, but didn't have my camera out. So New York size rat. From
Big as beavers.
Big as beaver was. It was huge. I thought it was a gopher or something at first, swimming across the water. Then I saw its tail, and oh, that's just a big rat. And then back there, I don't know if you can see. I can't really tell if you can see. There's a pheasant. Big red pheasant through the trees there. Yeah, I don't know how well it's picking up. I can see on the screen, but I can't really tell how it's picking up. But yes, we got a family annual membership, so we can get all these wildlife parks for free, and it goes towards their conservation. And yeah. There's some stuff over there. As Eric says, whatever this is supposed to do, it's doing it right now. It's doing it. It's doing it right now. Well, it's for like dragonflies and stuff, habitat there. So, yeah. So far no wildlife, but we're getting there. We saw a live video in the Welcome Center, and there's loads of ducks and birds and all that up in the further up in the water, but bit by bit. And it's supposed to be just general, you know, various things. There's wildlife. They do what they want, don't they? So, but I thought it would be good, something nice to do. Get out the house a bit longer. Play with the GoPro. Trying to follow Eric's rules by keeping the sun in front of me, but sometimes when you're walking, I don't be walking backwards like that. So I might do the half shot like this, like you suggested. Yeah, a couple of houses that back up onto this.
There it goes again.
Yeah, cockerel. Like you kind of see into the backyard a little bit. Have like chickens and a couple of roosters and bunny rabbits hopping around. So that's neat. Go over here. We got the Draper High. That's where all the birds and all are. Walk out for dog nests as well. I can't see you. The screen's turned off. Might have to get a stabilizer. Says green sandpipers, regular visitors ride meads. They like to feed along muddy edges of the islands. You can recognize them by their bobbing tail. I think we just scared away a bird watcher. But look, you got ducks out there. I might could zoom in on this on my video software. There's all out there happy. The duck sticking the ghost sticking his butt in there. Yeah, you can't go out there, unfortunately. As close as you can get, because it's, yeah. Obviously to help protect them. So. Alright, let's see. It says lift me up. Any bugs in it. Oh! Put it back down, put it back down. Ants! Lots of ants. That's not doing
wow.
that. There's a lot of ants.
That's a lot of ants.
Alright, I'm not sure what's next on the map.
Right, where are we?
Well, we just left the
Draper Hide.
Ashby Hide.
Ashby Hide is the next one.
I'm not sure what she said was going to be there. She said definitely the Kingfisher as well.
Yeah, which is up there.
Okay.
Cool.
Yes, this is quite cool. So if you want to get involved in your local wildlife, go to the RSPB website. I'll put a link somewhere on the screen. I have some editing software. Yes, for family ones, £5 a month. You know, or so just an annual one for £60. Oh, and there's a slug. Look, if you can see. Look, little slug. Hey, little fella. Hey, what you doing? You getting a car, are you? Be careful. Looks like a brown roly-poly. Well, not really brown, but yeah. What you doing, fella? So I'm looking on the ground, not only to avoid stepping in dog mess, but see if there's anything like that you don't want to step on either. In their short little lives, a bit shorter than need be.
Hello.
You see anything? I heard it, but can you see? Oh, it's flew away. Little birds we could hear in the trees here, but they flew off. But they've got let me leave my screen on somehow. If I hit the button again, it turns back on. But I want to. Little birdhouse there, number 10. We are following the cutest little family of geese because they are going the same direction as us. I'm not bothering you.